a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe with the drama. Unless you come in with that promise.
When I tell y'all, has it been a week? It has not really been a week, but like, it's been a day. I've been mad busy. So, I wanted to come up here like all perfect and shit, but like, we're not doing perfect in 2026. We're posting content, we're being ourselves, because honestly, like, you either gonna like it here or not. You're gonna love it here or not. And that goes for anybody. Anyway, so hey girl, hey, welcome back to Dara's Diary. You know who I am? I am Dara P. I'm a content creator. I love beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And today I'm gonna be redoing my entire closet because I want to add 2 little bookshelves. If you can see it back there, I want to add like smaller bookshelves to my collection, and also I need some more space too. So I've been putting it off for the past week, and I just finally decided to like hop on camera, do today. You're gonna watch me set up these bookshelves and get my entire life together. So let's get into it.
No sir, 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 no sir. No make back, but I ain't got a chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, put you in a toaster. Hey, yes sir. Got a little older, was a young flexer. You know that it's a go, cause make my jacket checker. Pop one pill, but it's a double decker. Yes sir. I ain't talking schools, I'm waiting on a transfer. Send a pussy boy to meet my ancestors. Put up on the block, it's hot flaming Chester. Yes sir. I just flew a bitch in from Manchester. They took me to jail, I should've smacked the arrestor. I'm about to come flexing like Sylvester. No sir, no sir. Bitches put up.
Morning, good afternoon. No, it's 9 o'clock. It's 9 a.m. y'all. So y'all, look at what we've done. I'm so excited. Please, first of all, let me give deets on where everything is from, because I know you're going to ask. All the shelves are from Walmart, which is insane. I believe the bigger shelves were like $50 and the smaller shelves were $35. So first of all, that's tea. That's a steal. The mirror behind me, I actually got that from a furniture store. That was $600. So y'all, it does light up as well too. So y'all will see that later. But I just decided to like redo my beauty room. I have mad bags like on the floor. I just wanted a space that I could actually love. I did just take professional pictures too, so I want to like blow my pictures up and put them up, and I want it to be a space that I love. I want it to also, like, when you're a content creator and when this is what you do full time, you need to be making sure that you're investing in the spaces that you're going to be creating the content in, because essentially that's going to be what's going to make you the money. So y'all, yesterday I did so much. I moved all the shelves around, added 2 more shelves, moved the mirror around, and I finally put up my little sunglass, which is crazy. I got this idea from TikTok. This is an acrylic nail polish holder. I have so many sunglasses, so I ended up putting my sunglasses in the nail polish holder, and that was like $20 from Amazon. So I am excited. Y'all, like, now I'm gonna put up some floating shelves. This, y'all, listen here, make some time for this. I did this by myself, and this was a 3-day process. Now, if I had some help, maybe it would be different, but I know myself, the help would have got on my nerves. I be having to put things and do things at my own pace. So I wanted to take my time with this project. It did take me 3 days to like rearrange everything, put the bookshelves up, take all the bags and shoes down that I had up there already. The space is elevated. I'm super excited to like put the floating shelves up and show y'all what little decor I did get for the content room. Also, I am going to be adding lights. There's so much more that I have to do, but y'all are just going to have to watch the rest of the video to see it. I'm not telling you all the tea now, girl. Like, I'm not doing that. Why would I do that? Why would I tell you all the tea now? But good morning, my babies. I'm glad that you're here with me. My plan is to finish this content room today. We'll be adding lights. I haven't purchased any lights yet because I want to see what everything is going to look like beforehand. So I need to know how many lights I do actually have to get. So I'm gonna order me some lights today. Hopefully I can get same day delivery, like fingers crossed, and then I can put the lights up tomorrow or tonight. And then I'll do the final reveal and show y'all what everything looks like. I'm super excited. If you don't know, now you know I am the DIY queen when it comes to decorating spaces. I always get the, can you help me decorate? I'm super excited for this project. I'm super excited to elevate my space. I did already like redo my vanity, reorganize it. I'm like so happy to get back into my creator bag for February. So this is the motivation for it. I just wanted to come get on camera and talk to my girls real quick before I got into putting up the floating shelves and showing y'all what that looks like. So yeah, I would say so far I spent about $50 a shelf, 50, 150 in entirety with all the shelves without the mirror. I probably spent about $350, $400. Now adding the lights, the floating shelves, $500. With the mirror, about $1,000. So I would say if you are taking your money and reinvesting back into your brand, your business, this is a great investment. Decorate your spaces, make it content friendly so you don't have to go elsewhere, and so you're not uncomfortable and feeling as if though the spaces that you're in on a regular basis is not worthy enough to record your content in. I'm excited for this new phase of my life, new transition, and I'm excited to have you here with me, baby girl.
Just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I be doing shit I really shouldn't do for real. That's why I always take them through for real. Why I always take them through for real. After this time I'll be. After this time I'll be. You can't even sit in these. Cause all of these be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see if you gonna give it what you need. Waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure if you got time to waste it with me.
Dress it up and make it real for me.
He's the best.
Whatever that fucking means. Yeah, it's all I understand for me. Spend a day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau. 200 miles on the dash. Gotta roll a pound up the gas. Put your lanes in the Grand Rapids. We the one that kept it cool with all these niggas till these niggas start acting. Shoot a nigga like Phil, man, I'm rolling nigga, gone, let him have it. We ballin' like March Madness. All these cops shootin' nigga tragic. Only one that living lavish. Like I'm playing for the Mavericks. I done want for the business, might have made me for her even though she had it.
We getting fucked tonight, who getting fucked tonight? You getting fucked tonight, she getting fucked tonight. She getting fucked tonight, she getting fucked tonight. She getting fucked tonight, she getting fucked tonight. Stop calling her phone, she getting fucked tonight. Going down the line, you the buster type. Knowing that you lying, we don't go for the hype. Catch up from behind, niggas know I'm a snipe. Suck it when I drive, baby, know what I like. Spray that pussy wide, let me go for a dive. Who getting fucked tonight? You getting fucked tonight. Make it wetter than night. I pay whatever the price. I knock her down, I'ma strike. I wanna fit in this time. You get with me, it's enticing. Your pussy is my vice. I see you, we gon' fight. You getting fucked tonight. Who getting fucked tonight?
Don't bring your friend if it ain't gonna be a good girl.
One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a so you wanna roll with a good girl. Do it big, do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Wanna roll with a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like I should. What's up?
On my mind, I pass my bedtime, we're at the kingdom. Alone in the place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we get married. Between my fantasy and what is real, I need it when I want it when I want it. Tell myself I'll stop every day, no